Hey guys, this is Anupama and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing good. In last week I had shown you set of 4 DIYs that are made out of waste cardboard, and today I'll be showing you another set of 4. So stay tuned, and if you guys had missed the previous episode you can check the link in the description box as well. So let's get started. So our first DIY will be making this garbage bag dispenser. For this I have taken waste cardboard box from Amazon. I hope everyone will be having this type of boxes in your home. Just cut the sides. Then to make the base strong, I have taken another cardboard of same size. Apply glue and stick it. Cover the rough edges with masking tape. Now take a small strip of cardboard and cover the edges with masking tape. We'll be needing 4 like this. For the 4 sides, stick them using hot glue. Now I had taken another cardboard to cover the top portion and covered the sides using masking tape. Now make an opening on the front portion of the box and cover the rough edges with masking tape. Now paint the box completely with white acrylic paint. So now I am applying orange color for the outer portion of the box. I had applied 2 coats of it. And for the top portion I will be applying black. So now I had taken these cups. One is paper cup. As paper cup is not strong, to give support to it I am sticking this plastic cup to make it stronger. Now take some jute ropes like this and start sticking them on the black cardboard. Now you can see here on the front portion I had stick small pieces of jute rope. Now cover this cup completely with jute rope. Now stick the cup on the top of the black cardboard. Now start drawing eyes on the front portion. And now I am decorating the hat by sticking few buttons. Now to get hair-like structure, take rope and start twisting it in the opposite direction and remove the strands. And guys, you can see here it's looking like a curly hair. Now to hang this to a wall, I had attached a jute rope using Fevibond. You can even use any other strong glue. But guys, please don't use hot glue. Now place the garbage roll in the box and take it out from the opening and then place the top. That's it guys, our garbage bag dispenser is ready. It's looking cute, right? Please do share your views in the comment section below. And guys, please give it a try as it is super easy to make with no cost. So now our second DIY will be making this vase or a plant holder. For this I am using waste cardboard roll. You can even use Pringles can. And take an old cloth like this. Cut the cloth according to the length of the roll and start sticking it using fabric glue or any other white glue. And if your glue is thick, make it thin by mixing it with little bit of water. For half of the portion I had stick the cloth and for the other half I will be sticking the rope. Apply glue. And start sticking this cotton rope. You can even use jute rope. As it is looking plain on the top, I started painting triangles. Now start making tassels. Now start sticking the tassels over the fabric. We are almost done. Now it's ready and it gives a boho look to your home. You can use it as a vase by putting some artificial flowers in this, and you can even put some live plants like succulents. Now moving to our third DIY, making this egg tray. So for this, first I had taken a cardboard and I had cut it according to the shape of the tray. I had stick 2 cardboards of same size to make it stronger. And these will be the sides. Even the sides I had made it 2 ply. Start sticking the sides using hot glue. Now cover all the rough edges and joints using masking tape. Please make sure that all the joints are covered with masking tape. You can see here I had covered the joints, sides, top, bottom, everything with masking tape. Now it is strong enough. Now for the inner portion I am applying white acrylic paint. Now for the sides on the outer portion I am using this decoupage paper. You can use any gift wrapping paper, or even you can take printouts, or you can cover the sides using jute rope. The options are endless. Now mix white glue with little bit of water to make it thin. Apply it and then carefully stick the paper. And for the bottom part I am using this black chart paper. So after sticking this decoupage paper, this is how it looks. Now to make legs to the tray, I'll be using the caps of the waste detergent bottles. Remove them and stick them using any strong glue, but please don't use any hot glue. Use strong glues like Fevibond or E6000 or any other strong glue. Here I am using Fevibond. It takes nearly 6 to 7 hours to dry completely. After drying completely, this is how it looks. Now our tray is almost ready. To make it more beautiful, I am using this woolen thread. Wrap it around the legs and secure it using glue. You can see here I painted the top edges of the tray with pink such that it matches the legs. Place the egg tray. That's it guys, our tray is ready. I completely enjoyed the making of this project as it gives a unique look to your kitchen, so guys please give it a try. Now moving to our final DIY, that is making this jewelry box. For this I am using this cardboard roll. This type of rolls will be getting from cello tapes and masking tapes. To cover the top and bottom part, I had cut the cardboard in circular shapes. Now to make the lid of the box, take a cardboard strip and measure the circumference of the cardboard ring and cut it accordingly. Now start sticking this strip to the round cardboard to form a lid shape. Now cover all the joints with masking tape to make it secure and strong. Now cover the box completely with white acrylic paint. After that I am applying brown acrylic paint for the inner portion. And now I am applying blue on the outer portion. Using Q-tips, form dots with gold metallic paint. Now to decorate the box, I am using this lace. Stick it all around the box. Now cut few flowers from the lace and stick them on the lid. Now I am using this jhumka from my old earring as a handle for the lid. Stick it using strong glue. Here I am using Fevibond. Allow it to dry for 6 to 7 hours. And these 3 beads I will be sticking them on the bottom. That's it guys, now a small and cute jewelry box is ready. I totally enjoyed the making of these 4 DIYs. I hope you also enjoyed it. And please do share your views in the comment section below. And guys, if you are new to my channel and if you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. And for those who had missed the part 1 series, I'll be giving the link in the description box. You can check over there. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.